Hi, welcome to UnStyled, the scaffold of a fully composable component library. UnStyled is built with the bare minimum amount of component variants and styles, but it's packed with the most advanced Figma techniques we've learned over the years, making it the perfect starting place for your own design system. By default, all components are unstyled, but you can easily style them using Figma tokens. For example, let's see what happens if the base radius is changed to 4. It has affected all component variants throughout the entire library, while each having their own interpretation of this new radius. On-canvas hitboxes lets you directly tap into the most relevant layers with precision every time, so you don't have to decipher the layer tree, a huge boost to the overall ease of use. Auto text color is a technique I learned from Steven. With auto text color, you don't have to worry about the best text to background contrast anymore. It changes in real time, automatically. Now let's say I need to tweak this basic tooltip component into an onboarding guide. I only need to mutate the slide into the structure I want. Now I just need to swap out this slide with the desired content, which in this case is another text component. I'm going to decrease the text size a bit and generate some lorem ipsum and make the text field container. And I also need to fill the text components themselves the container as well. Now that looks good, but what if I want to add a close button on the top right hand corner? I just need to recompose the header section right here by selecting the text component and make it horizontal by 2. Set the auto layout rule to space between, and now I can swap this to the close button. Make sure the header section is set to hug, and now I can swap the left slot back to text. Type something for the headline, and increase the spacing between items. Now if I want to have a bottom section, I just need to recompose the parent to vertical by 3. And now I have an additional slide in the bottom to work with. I can recompose it to another horizontal by 2. Set the auto layout to space between and fill the container horizontally. I want to display 2 buttons on the right, so this slot is again horizontal by 2. Need to space them apart. And now I can swap these 2 slots to button. Again, I want to make sure the container is set on hug, and for the slot on the left, it's going to be text. Next, I need to center the layout and type something to indicate the page. And the text on these 2 buttons is going to be skip and next. And I'm also going to tweak the stroke color to white transparent and a white background with blue text. Now that I've mutated the slot's content, I can increase the padding a bit and tweak the corner radius. This is still the same instance and is able to take full advantage of its built-in variants. This level of composability, together with auto text color, on-canvas hitboxes, and Figma tokens, is like nothing you've ever seen before, and that's just a tiny bit of the charm of UnStyled. Comments below to let me know what you think, like and subscribe for further updates. Bye bye.